What's up guys, it's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Feel free to get in touch with me on Facebook here. This is my Facebook page, facebook.com/JonoArmstrong1980. Just hit me up there, we can chat, and also you can reach me out via my blog at jono-armstrong.com. I'm putting together a bunch of free training and it's all going to be hosted on this page right here. We're now up to video 7. I've just finished video number 6, which is all about Bing ads, paid traffic, and now today's video, right now we're going to be talking about making landing pages. So yeah, let's get into it. Siniki, I want to introduce you to the North Korean child. Don't know if you can see him here. Let's have a look, see if you can see here. Kate, Siniki. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
Say hello.
The refugee from Burma. Off you go. Right, so landing pages. First of all, you're gonna need to buy a domain name and some hosting. So I use GoDaddy. You can use HostGator, Bluehost, but I use GoDaddy. So let me just go there now. GoDaddy. Now, if you already know how to do this, then just skip forward in the video to the landing page stuff. But this is just for the people who who don't already have a domain name and hosting. It's really, really easy. There's tons of videos on YouTube about how to do it, how to set it up. But basically, you're just going to want to set up an account with GoDaddy or HostGator. I'll leave a link below to HostGator actually, because I'm an affiliate with them. So if you do use my link to register an account, then I will get a commission, but it won't cost you anything. Just going to let you know in advance. GoDaddy, I'm not an affiliate of GoDaddy, so you can go ahead and type godaddy.com and find them there. But basically, what you need to do is go to the home page of GoDaddy here. And you're just going to type in a domain name. Now, this is different from my blog, okay? My blog is at jono-armstrong.com. All my landing pages, or most of my landing pages, come from this domain here, which is lap-top-lifestyle.com, laptoplifestyle.com. You wanna choose a pretty. Sorry about the noise. My wife is building a fence, a wall, a gate, something in front, so it's a bit noisy. You want to choose a domain name that is kind of sexy, okay? Laptop lifestyle, make money online, travel and get paid, make $100 a day, something like that that's relevant to making money online. You're just going to search it in here. So make make 150 bucks per day. I'm just going to search for it. And it is available for 88 cents if you get registered for more than 2 years. If not, then it's $12.99. This is pounds, by the way, not dollars. So you just add it to cart, and then you get the option to buy some hosting as well. You just want to go with website hosting. You want to go with a deluxe hosting, because economy you can only host one website, and with a deluxe hosting you can host unlimited domains, unlimited websites. So I've got my main website, Jono-Armstrong, and my landing page website. They're all on one hosting, so it works out actually cheaper if you're going to be doing multiple sites. So it's around $4.49 a month. So yeah, it's not that expensive. Okay, so once you've done that and you've put the domain together with the hosting, you need to install WordPress on your site. If you have any problems, just look for a YouTube video tutorial about how to install WordPress, or just go down to contact us, and you'll be able to chat with them. Okay, you'll be able to chat with them and they'll walk you through it. There's probably a load of tutorials on there as well, on GoDaddy and HostGator, anywhere that they're going to have tutorials, and YouTube as well. So once you've done that, once you've got WordPress installed, the next thing you need to do go over to Fiverr and search for Thrive Content Builder. Now what this is it's a plugin, it's a page builder, plugin basically. So there's a guy on here, this is the guy that I used, WordPress Design, his name is, and for $5 he's going to install and activate Thrive Content Builder. So just go for the very basic $5 package and he's going to install it for you. It takes around 24 hours to totally get installed, but after that you're good to go. It's just this basic package here. Don't bother with any of these premium package or standard package. Just get the very basic one because you only need him to install it and that's it. Okay, so once he's done that, go over to your website and you're going to see this down here, which means it's installed. So you got your dashboard, license manager. You don't really have to worry about any of this, to be honest. So what you need to do now is go to pages and then you're going to add a new page. Okay, pages on the left, add a new page. And we're just going to call it landing page demo just for the sake of this tutorial. Don't need to do anything else, just publish it. Excuse me, just publish it, that's done. Also, just off topic a little bit, get this plugin installed, it's absolutely free. Pretty Link, this is going to enable you to cloak your affiliate links so you can put them into YouTube, and not quite sure about Facebook yet, but definitely YouTube, and it makes them look a lot better. Instead of having a big ugly affiliate link, you can put it into Pretty Link. Anyway, off the topic. So back to the page, you've saved it, go to edit with Thrive Content Builder. Now you do have some templates on here that you can choose from for landing pages. Another option, if you want to get landing pages that are pretty much done for you, don't really recommend doing it because the price is a monthly fee of something like $38, and I tried it for a while and you don't need it, to be honest. But you can go to landingpages.net. Okay, they just purely offer landing pages. They have a ton of templates on there. You can try it out for free for 14 days. That's what I did, but I wasn't too impressed. They do have some stats and stuff in there as well, but after 14 days, leadpages.net, after 14 days, I think it's like $37, $25 a month. You see, and you don't need to do that. Just go to Fiverr, pay $5, get Thrive installed on your website, and then it's pretty much the same. It's pretty much the same. Don't bother with this. A lot of people tell you to go buy Thrive pages. I could have done that because they do have an affiliate program. They'll tell you to go buy ClickFunnels. I could have done that as well and got quite a nice monthly commission off you guys, but there's no point because you just wasted money. So go over to Fiverr and get this installed instead. It's going to save you a ton of money in the long run. Come here, North Korean children. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Cheating.
Huh? Cheating?
Bilang. Playing.
What's your name?
Siapa namanya, Lucky?
What's your name? Huh?
Ditanya.
What's your name? Siapa namanya?
My name is Lucky.
Lucky. How old are you? Umurnya berapa?
5-year-old.
Huh?
5 tahun.
5 years old. Can you say that?
5.
I'm 5. Bilang, I'm 5. Can you say it?
I'm 5.
I'm 5.
Bilang Ki, I'm 5.
Apaan tuh?
I'm 5. Aku 5 tahun.
Out the area. Out the area. Right, this is loaded up now. So what you would then do is you go across to the right here where it says Thrive Landing Pages, and you'd go down to choose landing page. Okay, and then this is going to come up with a ton of different templates that you can use for this. Now, ones that I've used in the past that have worked pretty well are this one here, Mini Squeeze, and there was like a green one somewhere. I think it's in Template Cloud. Yeah, that's right. This one here, Mini Squeeze 2, lead generation 3. So let's just go with this one for now. Oh no, we got to download it. Okay, let's go back to the default ones. And let's just go with this one. Now, in the previous video, I told you that I'm going to show you how you can put your action pixel into your landing page. So let's just go and do that first before we get any further. So in ClickMagick, you need to create a new link. Okay, let's just call it landing page test demo, and then you need to put the link for your landing page in here. Oh, sorry, in the URL. So this is just let's just call it demo test. Right, so the link to the landing page is going to go in here. Now you can already copy this from here, even though we haven't finished editing it. You just take all of this bit before where it says / TVE equals true. Just copy it from there. Okay, just copy that and then go back to ClickMagick and just paste it in there. Again, for ClickMagick, there's a link down below to get this. I am going to get an affiliate commission if you do get it through me. And it's not going to lose you any money, but I'm just telling you anyway. But I do use this on a daily basis. It's an invaluable piece of software that I think everybody who's serious about buying paid traffic or any kind of traffic and wants to know where it's coming from so they can test it, they can tweak it, that you need to have some kind of traffic tracking software, and this one is the best for me, in my opinion. Okay, it might not be the best for other people, but for me it is. So there we go. You put the primary URL in there and you just click on create link. And where is it? Landing page test demo. Then you go to settings and then you want to track conversions, okay? And this is where we're going to get what is called an action pixel. And what this is a little bit of code that you put in to your landing page so that you can know which people have gone through and got which people have opted into your squeeze page, basically. So click onto track conversions, and you're going to use tracking method number 1, tracking pixels. So use the pixel builder to generate the pixels you need. So click on there, and you're just going to go with actions, last click, and don't worry about any of this other stuff. So image HTML, this is the one that you want. Okay, so just have that ready. All right, have that ready. Where are we? Back over here. So you make the landing page first. You just need to put in something enticing into your landing page. It usually starts off with a benefit that somebody's going to get and a time cap on it, and also something that's saying it's easy to do, or it's not going to take them a long time, and it's only going to take them a few minutes. So let's just go with make $287 in 12 hours, every 12 hours with just 17 minutes work. Right, that sounds pretty good. So you've got the benefit in there, you've got the end goal, the end result, which is $287 every 12 hours, $287. You've got the time frame in there, which is every 12 hours, and you've got something that says, you know, it's pretty lazy. Okay, it might sound a bit hypey, but unfortunately that's what sells. I mean, if you're going to say make $50 every 2 days with a week's work, nobody's going to opt in. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is. So let's just unbold this. I think we need to change the font. Let's go with Arial and see if we can unbold this somehow. No. Okay, let me undo these changes because I think how I did it before was... Okay, let's just get rid of it. Start again. Okay, make $287 every 12 hours with just 17 minutes work per day. Okay, let's highlight the sexy parts, bold the sexy parts, 17 minutes work per day. Okay, let's make the whole thing a little bit bigger. Right, obviously if you spend a bit more time on this it's going to look a lot better. I'm just doing this for an example. Now this is what I was giving away, was a free version of my launch stacking course that I have out. It's basically a general overview that doesn't go into any of the technicalities, just explaining how the method works and what you have to do to do it. And if you watch the video, you could, if you watch the videos, you could probably piece things together and figure it out. And then it goes on to sell the actual front end course and then the upsells. So in the beginning, people get the free version. So free 5-part video training series. 5-part video training series reveals how you can make over $250 every day with minimal effort. Something like that. And then again, bold out the sexy parts, minimal effort, free. Okay, now the next bit you need to do is you need to connect this with your autoresponder. So I use GetResponse, and for all of these tutorials I'm going to be using GetResponse. I'm going to be doing these tutorials in GetResponse. I actually prefer GetResponse because you don't have to do the double opt-in that's required by Aweber to start off with, and also there's a ton of stuff that you can do with automation. So you can when you're doing an affiliate campaign, you can send emails out, you can prepare them all in advance, and you can get them to send to unopens automatically in there. So that's why I recommend it, and that's why I use it. Now, if you don't already have an autoresponder, you can pick up GetResponse through the link in the description below, and then you need to connect it with the service. So if you saw what I just did, you click on connect with service. Now you can use all different types of autoresponders with this: Aweber, GetResponse, Market Hero, you name it, all of them, pretty much all of them. And you can do it via API key as well if they're not actually included in this. So you just go to connect with a service, create a new connection. You're going to go to API, go to the next step. Now I've already got my GetResponse details in here because I've already put it together with my API, but basically you're going to be given the option to integrate your autoresponder. Now to do that, you would go to your autoresponder and go to API connections and then copy and paste your API key, which is going to be there somewhere, and then you would paste it into here. But basically I've just gone past all of that because my GetResponses are already registered in this software. So, and then you choose the list. So you put in your autoresponder, and then you choose your list that you want these subscribers to go onto. I'm just going to leave it as default for the moment, and then you click on save, and then it's going to add it up. You can choose to collect people's names, emails, and phone numbers. I only really choose to collect people's email addresses. I don't even bother with names anymore because it's just something that it's an added hoop that people have to jump through to get on your list, and I want to make it as minimal as possible, so I just get their email address. Okay, and after this form is submitted, then you want to redirect them to a thank you page. Now that's the next thing that we need to set up. So I'm just going to leave it blank for the moment, and we're going to come back later and put it in there. Now this has gone a bit weird. Why has that happened? Okay, submit button. Okay, I like to put something like instant get access here. Get access now, and then a couple of these arrows. That looks pretty good. Max width. Let's put it at full width. Actually, let's bold this. Now that still looks dodgy. There we go. There we go. That's better. So if you see what I just did then, it defaulted it to horizontal, and I just moved it to vertical there. Now this is still a bit big, so I'm gonna move that to 15, see how that looks. It's better. So you just go into margins and padding, and then the padding, I just reduced the padding there. And that looks alright now. Obviously you can play around with this and make it better, but that's fine for now. So it's just save the changes. And then we're going to go back to our main page here, and we're going to go to pages. We're going to add a new page, and we're going to make a very, very basic thank you page. So let's just call it thank you. Okay, once again, once you put the title in, the page title, just publish it. And edit with Thrive Content Builder. Now what we're going to do on this page, there's a lot of different things that people do. What I usually do on my thank you page is I make it a bridge page. What a bridge page is it's a way of saying to people, okay, thank you, your free course is being delivered to your email address, and it'll be with you in around 5 minutes time. In the meantime, if you really want to start making some good money with this right away and get all of the gory details, then click on the link below to proceed to the sales page of my main product. or something like that. Or if you'd like to work with me personally and start making, get a head start in making money online, then click the link below. Or you could say, if your giveaway offer is like a PDF or a cheat sheet or something that you've put together, but you don't actually have your own product yet, you could say something like, okay, thank you for make a video. Actually, if you can make a video, just a short 1-minute video saying, thank you for opting into my email list. My name's John Armstrong, and I've been making money online for X amount of years, or I'm just getting started making money online, and I'm having some great results, and I really want to share my experience with you. And then you could say something like, if you want to take this to the next level, click on the link below. Then the link below can then lead on to an affiliate product that you promote, or your own product, or some training that you put together. Anything. It's just a bridge page, it's just a way of your subscribers being able to remember you, remember your face, remember who's sending them all of these emails from now on. A lot of people don't do that, and then their subscribers start receiving emails and they don't know who the hell it's from, and they unsubscribe. So it's your way of making a first impression, if you want to put it that way. It's the best way to make a first impression. So people are going to remember you, and also by telling them that your free giveaway has gone to their email, then it makes sure, it kind of conditions them to go and check their email instead of sending them directly to the free content where it bypasses the whole email thing. So it's going to condition them to check their email, and it's going to put your face on it as well. So, okay, where was I after that big rant? Right, over here, this is the thank you page. Again, you'd go to this drop down menu and you'd go to choose landing page. This is the bit where it sticks for ages. Yeah, so what I did, I actually split tested a number of different landing pages for my free giveaway. I split tested sending people directly to my sales page after they'd opted in. I experimented with, let me just find it. I experimented with having a bridge page with a video on it, without a video on it. I think the results are in here. Let me have a look. Right, yeah, I had a few different thank you pages. No, these are landing pages. Where is it? Here we go. Okay, so these are the different thank you pages that I had going on. Don't know if you can hear this.
Gives you a detailed overview about how it works, and you'll be able to get started right away.
So I'm just basically saying that the free course has been sent to your email address. Go and check it in around 5 minutes time. In the meantime, I want to talk to you a bit more in depth about the course that I've put together. That's a paid course, and then this pops up, and it has a countdown timer and that kind of stuff. Now, the other one that I had...
John Armstrong here. Congratulations on getting your free video course showing you how to hijack your way to affiliate success using YouTube. You will have an email arriving in your inbox in around 5 minutes with instructions on how to access it.
Now you can check this out yourself, but basically what it's called is it's called a blind sales page. So it's a bit of information, and then after 3 minutes there's a button that pops up, underneath here with the price of the course from JVZoo. And you can check it out yourself. You can even copy it if you like, the word for word. It's jono-armstrong.com/launch-jacking-course-offer. But yeah, it doesn't have my face on it really. It's just a script basically that I followed. So that's the other example, and then the final one. Okay, it's the same as the first one, but it's hosted on Warrior Plus instead, because I was testing that out as well. So let me just see which one converts the best. It was the first one, the first video. I've had 47 actions on it so far, as opposed to the blind sales page, which only has 31. But the blind sales page actually converts better than the one with the video. So I guess that kind of equals them out. But anyway, let's get back to, alright. So the thank you page, let's just go with the video thank you page that I made before, which was actually on the template cloud. It's this one. So let's just download it. Hopefully it won't take too long. In fact, screw it. Let's just go to my original sales page. Lifestyle Solo 1. Just go to my original sales page, and I'll show you what you need to do, because it'll save a lot of pissing around. What was it called again? Laptop Lifestyle Solo 1. This one. Right, so here you go. It's just a basic template, and then I added the first line here in bold, all right, in red. Now you should probably keep this consistent with the landing page, so 287 instead of 147. But I like to try and make things a little bit more realistic. But it's up to you. But try to keep everything consistent. And then you got a countdown timer in here. You can get that one of the boxes here, countdown timer, and you just drag it across and put it in there. Then when you click on it, you can change the style. I think I had style 3. Yep, that's the one. And then center it, and then you can actually set it here for the amount of hours you want it to count down, and all that good stuff. And then I made the sales video on YouTube. You can check it out by going to jono-armstrong.com/laptop-lifestyle-solo-1. You can check out my video there, my kind of sales video, mini sales video, bridge video, thank you video, whatever. Copy it if you want. Obviously don't rip my video and put it on there, because it won't be you, and there's no point in doing that, because you want people to know you, not me, if you know what I mean. If they're your subscribers, you want them to build a relationship with you. So but just base your video on exactly what I talk about there. So you just copy the URL from your YouTube video, and you would paste it into where the video is. If you don't know how to put the video in, it's really easy. You just drag it across from the right where it says responsive video, and then you would put in all the details there. And then you would copy your button from JVZoo. I haven't shown you how to set up your products in JVZoo Warrior Plus yet, but it's pretty easy. And if you already know how to do that, or you figured it out, or you've watched another tutorial, then you just copy and paste the code and you put it into custom HTML. So you drag the custom HTML there, insert custom HTML, and you just paste in the code for your JVZoo button there, and that's going to come up. That is it. That is it. Now, obviously, this is going to be your thank you page. Now, thank you page means it's the first page that people are going to see after they've put their email address into your opt-in form here. So this is where we need to put our action pixel. Remember, we talked about our action pixel before from the tracking software. This is where you want to put it. Now let me just go back to that test one that we made before. Landing page test demo. Okay, remember we put our we copied the URL of our landing page and we put it in there, in here. Now what that means is when you go and put this URL, you're going to be putting this, you're going to be putting this URL into Bing, into your Bing advert, or you're going to be giving this URL to the solo ad vendor, or you're going to be putting this URL into your YouTube advert, or wherever you want. This is your new link, basically. This is your new link, and then this link will direct to whatever URL you put in here. So for this example, we put in the URL of the landing page that we just made. Okay, I hope that makes sense. It's a bit technical, but I hope that makes sense. So basically, you put your landing page URL into here, and then you're going to be using this URL. Now, when you've done that, you need to get your action pixel so you can see all of this data here. Your action pixel shows you the amount of people that actually opt in, and this pixel will go on your thank you page here. Now what that means is when somebody opts into your landing page here, they will automatically get redirected to your thank you page here. Now when you put the pixel in, as soon as they land on this page, that pixel will fire and it will give you the data in your ClickMagick account, and it will show you the data that you need to know. Now to do this, you go to the link that you just made. So in this case it's landing page test demo. You go to this little cog on the right, the settings, click on there. You go to track conversions. Okay, you go to step 2, use pixel builder to generate your pixels you need. And then you go to actions, make sure it's on actions, last click, and then you're gonna use this bit down here, action tracking pixel, make sure it's image HTML, copy that, go to your thank you page, over here on the right, click there, and you would go to landing page settings, click on that, and then you would go to set up custom scripts. Now this is going to go in the head, in the top one basically. So I've already got my action pixel in there. As you can see, it's A for Axel. You just paste your code that you got from ClickMagick, you just paste it in there and save it, and then save your thank you page, and you're done. Okay, you're done with your thank you page. And you would copy the URL of your thank you page, right? Remember, we need to put this into our squeeze page. So the page that we made previously needs to be connected. So you click on the email part here where we connected it with the service with our autoresponder. Click on there. Okay, now action after sign up. After the form is submitted, you need to choose redirect to URL, and then you paste in the URL of your thank you page. Okay, so remember to take it from your thank you page that you made, just copy it from there and then post it in here and save it. Okay, and you're done. Okay, that's it. You've made a squeeze page, you've connected it with your autoresponder, and you've made it automatically redirect to a thank you page. You've put your action pixel into your thank you page, so you're gonna know how many opt-ins you're getting from that particular link. So once you've saved everything and closed everything, you just need to go back to ClickMagick. You click on the link that you just made. As you can see, it's already linked up with the landing page we just made. Click on that landing page. You would copy this part here, your tracking link. You would go back to Bing, and underneath where you created your advert, it's going to say destination URL. You are gonna put it in there, okay? And then you're gonna also paste it below that in the previous video where I taught you how to put in the squiggly brackets keywords and then squiggly brackets ad ID. Okay, that's for Bing, alright? You need to do that. If you're just doing this with solo ads, then you just give the solo ad vendor this link. Now, again, it's very important to track your links using solo ads because you're going to safeguard yourself from getting ripped off, basically. And the solo ad vendor is going to know that as soon as you give them a link that says track in it or that says ClickMagick, they know that they can't really mess with you and send you shit traffic because they know that you're going to be checking their leads. You're going to be checking the quality of the traffic. So that's it for this video. The next video I'm going to quickly go over solo ads, which squeeze pages work best for solo ads, how to set up your funnel for solo ads, and how to track your links using solo ads as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.